Hello students, welcome to all these scholar classes. So today I will be taking the fifth part of chapter 14 from class 9 science. The name of the chapter is natural resources. So if you will go in the part 4, we have discussed all about how rain occurs and how cloud formation and all takes place, how cloud is formed and rain occurs. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about air pollution. What is air pollution? What causes air pollution? What are the different factors that causes air pollution? The harmful effects of air pollution. We will see all the harmful effects of air pollution, like it causes different disease and allergies that we will see. Smog, that is the visibility is not clear. Global warming, how it affects our global warming. Acid rain, what is acid rain and when do we call a rain as acid rain? Ozone layer depletion, how our ozone layer is being affected because of the air pollution. So these are the topics that we are going to discuss today. So first let's start with air pollution. So if we talk about air pollution, we can say that air pollution is an undesirable change. एक ऐसा change जो कि desirable नहीं है, undesirable change, and that change can be a physical change, a chemical change, or it can be any biological characteristic which changes. Okay. Is an undesirable change in physical, chemical and biological characteristics. Okay, fine. Air pollution is an undesirable change in physical, chemical and biological characteristics. Fine. So next, this air pollution is caused due to the increase in the content of harmful components. Okay, or you can say harmful substances. That harmful substances can be what? The pollutants. So air pollution is caused basically when there is an increase in the harmful components, harmful substances, or you can say pollutants. जब harmful substances का increase हो जाएगा air में, तो क्या cause करेगा वो? Air pollution को cause करेगा. That harmful substances are what? It's like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, sulfur, lead, nickel and all. Okay, fluoride is also there. And also the dust particles. When these contents, when the content of them increases in the air, this is called as air pollution. Okay, so it is caused by the increase, okay, when there is an increase in the content of harmful substances that are harmful to us, to animals, to plants, to our environment, that are not useful in any case, they are harmful to all of us. Content of harmful substances or you can say the pollutants. These pollutants are the harmful substances like carbon dioxide is there, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, sulfur, fluoride is there. Okay, all these oxide means nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, fluoride oxide, lead oxide, lead is there, etc. And also the dust particles. Even the dust particles, if they increases in our air, in our atmosphere, it leads to pollution. ओके अगर डस्ट पार्टिकल भी बढ़ जाता है हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में, हमारे नेचर में, तो वो भी क्या देता है हमें, पोल्यूशन ही देता है. ओके सो दिस पोल्यूशन, एयर पोल्यूशन, इफ वी से its effect is very bad. Okay, it affects the health of living organisms and the quality of environment. Okay, it is affecting our health, plants health, animals health. और जो environment की cleanliness है, क्वालिटी है, एक clean environment जो है उसको भी ये affect करता है. Okay, so it affects, it is going, it means कि this air pollution affects the health of human beings, animals and plants, and also the quality of our environment. Okay, it also affects the quality of our environment. Fine. So this was all about air pollution. Next we will see what factors, what are different causes of air pollution. So causes of air pollution. How this air pollution is being caused? So there are different causes how air pollution is being increased. The first one is burning of fossil fuels. When we burn fossil fuels, it causes what? It causes air pollution. So many exhaust of industries are there and plants, smokes are coming out, that also causes the air pollution. Okay, and different mining industries are there. In the mining is a very big cause of air pollution. Different kinds of mining causes air pollution. Different kinds of indoor activities are there. We will see which indoor activities they causes air pollution. Some suspended particulate matters are there which are going to cause air pollution. Okay. So these are some of the factors that causes air pollution. One by one we will discuss all of them. So the first one is the burning of fossil fuel. Okay, burning of fossil fuel. So what happens when we burn coal and petroleum? Coal and petroleum are being burned. We use different kinds of vehicles while running. The petrols are being burned. Coals are used for cooking and all. So they are also being burned. So when they are burned, these coals and petrol, what do they release? They release sulfur they release nitrogen oxide. Okay, oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, that is sulfur and oxide, nitrogen oxide, that are very harmful to our environment and that causes air pollution. Okay, so they also release unburned carbon particles in the air that are called hydrocarbons. So these are all affects our atmosphere and they causes air pollution. So जब बर्निंग होती है फॉसिल फ्यूल्स की, फॉसिल फ्यूल्स कौन से हैं? कोल है, पेट्रोल है, जब इनको हम बर्न करते हैं तो एटमॉस्फेयर में क्या निकलता है? सल्फर ऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड निकलती है जो कि बहुत ही हार्मफुल होती है हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर के लिए। इवन क्या होता है कि समटाइम अनबर्न हाइड्रोजन इज बीइंग रिलीज्ड, unburned carbon particles are being released and they are called hydrocarbons. Okay, so burning of fossil fuels, when coal and petroleum are burned, they release sulfur and nitrogen oxide, which is a harmful agent. Okay, so that is a harmful agent. They also release unburned carbon particles in the atmosphere, in the air. They also release unburned carbon particles called hydrocarbons. Fine, is that clear that how burning of fossil fuel is causing the air pollution? The second thing is the exhaust from industries. We know that different industries, different plants are there through which different kinds of smokes are coming. So industries, they basically release harmful gases and smokes in the air. So these smokes, what do they contain? They contain carbon monoxide and some organic compounds that decreases the quality of air. Okay, so different industries, different plants, they release harmful gases and smokes that also causes air pollution. Okay, so exhaust from industries and plants fine. So the industries release harmful gases and smokes like carbon monoxide. Okay, carbon monoxide and organic compounds. Fine, and organic compounds that decrease the quality of air. Okay, so burning of fossil fuel and exhaust from industries and plants. These industries and plants, they releases harmful gases and smokes that are causing air pollution. Next, we will see mining industries. Mining. third one is the mining. Okay, so during the mining process, harmful chemicals are being released in the air that leads to air pollution. During mining, harmful chemicals are being released that leads to air pollution. Fine. So next cause is some of the indoor activities. Indoor activities are like at our home we use so many cleaning agents. घर पे हम लोग बहुत सारे cleaning agents use करते हैं just to clean our floors, clean our toilets and all. So those cleaning agents and even the paints that has been used on the walls, okay, जो भी painting walls पे होती हैं, all these used that are being used at our houses, different types, they also release some kind of chemicals which pollutes the air. So that also causes the air pollution. Okay, so even the indoor activities is responsible for pollution. Okay, so in indoor activity if we count, so cleaning agents we can say, cleaning agents and paints that are used in houses, they release harmful chemicals. Which pollutes our air. Okay, so we have seen burning of fossil fuel, then we have seen the exhaust from industries and plants, next is the mining, and then the indoor activities. 4 we have seen. The 5th one is the suspended particulate matters, SPM. The 5th one is suspended. Okay. Sorry. Suspended particulate matter, it is also called SPM, suspended particulate matter. Okay, so in this what happens, the particles like dust, okay, often they remain suspended in the air. Dust particles, they remain suspended in the air and they degrade the quality, air की quality को वो degrade कर देता है, घटा देता है, decrease कर देता है. So SPM is one of the major cause of air pollution in the cities. Fine. So the particles such as dirt, which particles? Dust particles. They often remain suspended okay remain suspended in the air, and they decrease the quality of air. Okay, so SPM is one of the major cause of air pollution. Fine. So if you are being asked about the causes of air pollution, don't forget to write SPM, because it is one of the major cause of air pollution in cities. This pollution is because of the dust particles that remain suspended in the air. So we have seen 5 causes of air pollution. The first one, we have seen the burning of fossil fuel, exhaust from plants and industries, then because of mining, then we have seen different indoor activities which causes pollution, air pollution, and the fifth, we have seen the suspended particulate matter, that is the SPM, which is a major cause of pollution in the cities. Okay, so before moving to the next topic, I would request you to subscribe our channel Oli Scholar if you have not subscribed it yet, because whenever we will upload video, you will get a notification. So sure, please subscribe it so that you can get the notification whenever we upload the video. Okay, so moving on the next topic. So now we will see the sources of elimination of air pollution. Sources of from where this air pollution is being eliminated. Okay, so sources of emissions of air pollution, we will see in percent wise. Okay, which percent it is eliminated, where it is the emission. So as we know that industries, they produce the most of the pollution. Okay, so 52% of the pollution is being produced by factories. So you can say that half of the pollution is being because of industries. Okay, जो आधा परसेंटेज है pollution का, एयर pollution का, वो किसकी वजह से है? इंडस्ट्रीज की वजह से है. So we will make a chart. Okay, graph I will make. So industry is giving how much percentage? 52%. The pollution, air pollution is being from industries. Then next comes the transportation. Transportation gives how many percent? 27%. Okay. So transport 27%. Okay. These are major sources of emission of air pollution. Fine. Then if you will see the consumer and commercial products, so it will be in 8%. Commercial products, so it is the 8%. Okay, and like this, if you will see the agriculture pollution is 10%. 10% pollution is because of agriculture. Okay, and others we will give 2% for others. 2% 2% for others. Fine. So the consumer and commercial products are there, and commercial and residual heating is 1%. So this is all the ratio of the sources of emission of air pollution. So if we rank it, we will see that the most of the pollution is because of these industries. They are occupying almost, they are causing 52%. Next, because of the vehicles, or you can say because of the transport, they are giving 27% of the pollution. Okay. Next is the consumer and commercial products. Commercial product, they give the 8%, and agriculture gives 10%. Agriculture gives 10%. So these are the four major sources through which pollution takes place. The first one is the industry, the major source of the air pollution. Next is the transport or vehicles, which causes air pollution. Next is the consumer and commercial products, which also causes pollution, and agriculture causes 10% of the air pollution. So we have seen that in a percent ratio how the sources of emission of air pollution is there. क्या percentage है different sources के जिससे कि air pollution होता है. तो हमें क्या पता चला, इंडस्ट्रीज की वजह से सबसे ज्यादा air pollution होता है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि इंडस्ट्रीज हुए या प्लांट्स हुए, इनसे सबसे ज्यादा स्मोक या गैसेस निकलती हैं. तो गैसेस और स्मोक जो निकलेंगी वो कहाँ जाएंगी? एयर में ही जाएंगी. तो so that's why it is the major source of air pollution. Okay? बाकी और भी sources होते हैं जो कि different types of pollutions को enhance करते हैं. But industries में smokes ही निकलते हैं, ashes निकलते हैं, या आपके ये gases निकलती हैं. तो ये सारी चीजें आपके atmosphere में जाएंगी, आपके air में जाएंगी, तो ये air pollution ही cause करेंगी. Okay? So next we will see the harmful effects of air pollution. Okay. So the harmful effects of air pollution. One by one we will study all the harmful effects of the air pollution. Okay. So the first very harmful effect of the air pollution is the diseases and the allergies which takes place. Especially we the human beings, we suffer a lot because of this air pollution. So this air pollution, when we inhale this pollution, air pollution, what happens? It damages or it affects our respiratory system. जब ये जो air pollution होता है, हमारे air में जो pollution है, जब हम breathe करते हैं और उसके साथ उसको inhale कर लेते हैं, तो क्या होता है? हमारा जो respiratory system है उस पे effect पड़ता है. अब जब respiratory system में effect पड़ेगा तो सबसे पहले क्या problem आएगी? There will be a problem in breathing में problem आएगी, हमें breathe करने में problem होगी, और breathing से related जितने भी disease हैं वो cause होंगे. Disease like bronchitis, asthma is there, lung cancer, tuberculosis, all these are caused because of the air pollution. So the first harmful effect we can say is the disease and allergies. Okay? Fine. So the air pollution, it affects our respiratory system, जिसकी वजह से क्या होगा? ब्रीथिंग में प्रॉब्लम होगी. ओके, देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम and the diseases that are being caused are diseases caused are asthma, okay, lungs कैंसर, लंग में बहुत इफेक्ट पड़ता है, लंग कैंसर होने का चांस है, एंड ऑल्सो टीबी एक्सेट्रा. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज it affects our body, different kinds of disease, different kinds of allergy takes place, different diseases like tuberculosis, asthma and breathing problem, all these takes place. Lung cancer is there, all these are because of air pollution. Fine. So next if we talk about, so what happens, as we have already, I have talked about burning of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. So what happens, they release gases like nitrogen and sulfur, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. So when we inhale those gases, that is very dangerous for us. Okay, so जब fossil fuels like coal और petroleum को burn करते हैं तो उसकी वजह से जो gases निकलती हैं, that is the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, जब हम उनको इनहेल कर लेते हैं, हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स जब उसको इनहेल करते हैं तो हमारे लिए वो बहुत डेंजरस होता है. ओके, so the first thing we have seen different types of disease which are occurring. Second is the inhalation of the gases that are being released because of burning of fossil fuels. Okay, third is the combustion. So when the combustion of fossil fuel also increases the amount of suspended particles in the air. Okay, so उससे क्या होता है, the presence of high levels of all these pollutants, they reduce the visibility. Okay, so पहली चीज हमने disease देखी थी, second हमने देखा कि burning of fossil fuels dangerous है, burning of fossil fuel they are dangerous. Third, what we have seen that because of this air pollution, visibility decreases. Okay, visibility decreases. Clarity नहीं दिखेगी, एटमॉस्फेयर में एयर हमारा क्लियर नहीं होगा. So generally तब क्या होता है कि जब cold weather आता है during the winters, you must have seen that water condenses out in the air and it forms smog. Okay, so that is because of this air pollution. Smogs are being formed and there is no visibility, we cannot see clearly. Okay, and the next very bad effect, very harmful effect of air pollution is the global warming. Okay, global warming. So the temperature of the earth rises due to the presence of greenhouse gases in such as carbon dioxide is there and methane. So क्या हो रहा है कि global warming हो रही है, air pollution की वजह से जो temperature है वो increase हो रहा है अर्थ का. Okay, temperature of earth is increasing because of these gases like carbon dioxide, methane and all. Next, the effect is that our ozone layer is depleting. Okay, depletion of ozone layer. Ozone layer depletion. Okay, in this what happens, this air pollution leads to depletion of the outer covering of the ozone layer. जो outer covering है ozone layer की, उस पे effect हो रहा है, उसमें कुछ होल्ड हो रहा है और वो हमारे अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर के लिए बहुत ही बेकार है. ओके, सो दिस वाज हाउ आवर ओजोन लेयर इज बीइंग अफेक्टेड. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट, इवन द प्लांट्स आर बीइंग अफेक्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ द एयर पोल्यूशन. प्लांट्स में क्या इफेक्ट होगा, एयर पोल्यूशन की वजह से प्लांट्स, एयर पोल्यूशन की वजह से द ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट्स आर बीइंग रिड्यूस. प्लांट्स के ग्रोथ में रिडक्शन होगा, डीजनरेशन ऑफ क्लोरोफिल, क्लोरोफिल का डीजनरेशन होगा, उनके लीव्स पे पैचेस या स्पॉट्स आ जाएंगे. So it is affecting the plants also by reducing their growth, spots on leaf and degeneration of chlorophyll. Okay, so these are 6 major harmful effects of air pollution. The one is left, that is the acid rain. I will be teaching you in detail that. So different kinds of disease are being caused to humans, like lung cancer and all, breathing problem is there. Then because of burning of fossil fuel, harmful gases are being released, that is very dangerous. Then because of the air pollutants, visibility decreases, and in the winter season what we will see, there is a smog. Global warming is affected, and the Earth's temperature is increasing day by day. Ozone layer depletion is there, the outer layer of the ozone is being affected, and even the plants are being affected. Their growth is being reduced, and their leaves are being patchy and with spots. Okay, and the 7th harmful effect is that of acid rain. Okay, so the next one is the acid rain. So acid rain is caused by the release of gases like sulfur dioxide, okay, and nitrogen dioxide. They are being released through the emission is through different vehicles and also the combustion of fuels. Okay, so acid rain is caused due to what? Acid rain is caused due to release of some harmful gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, NO2, which are being released by different vehicles and combustion of fuels. So these gases, what happens? They get dissolved in the rainwater. Okay, these gases dissolve with rain water. Okay, so when they dissolve with rainwater to form nitric acid, nitrogen dioxide is being converted to nitric acid, and this sulfur dioxide is being converted into sulfuric acid. Okay, so then what happens? The rain which come to us is mixed, that is sulfuric acid, nitric acid. तो जो वो rain है वो acid से mix हो गई है वो rain. So that's why it is called acid rain. वो normal rain नहीं है, क्योंकि sulfuric acid भी साथ में आ रहा है, nitric acid भी साथ में आ रहा है. तो वो normal rain नहीं है, वो acid से mix होके आ रही है rain. So that's why it is called acid rain. And this acid rain is very harmful for us, the living beings, and even to the non-living beings. Okay, so this was about acid rain, the harmful effects of the air pollution we have seen. This was all for today. Here I complete my 5th part. Okay, and please give a like button if you like my video, and also subscribe our channel, All Is Karan. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video.